Today, Sarah and I are going to make something so simple yet so delicious. It's tomato confit. And to this, we are going to add just a few ingredients. First of all, some good olive oil. And we're gonna make sure that they are almost completely covered up. And these are gonna bake in the oven at a very, very low temperature. They're gonna be full of incredible flavor, and it's gonna be perfect to store them into some mason jars and keep them in the refrigerator, although I don't think they're gonna last very long. Here is some salt. We peeled this garlic, and we have some cayenne pepper that we will also tuck right in here. Still, this is not enough olive oil, but we'll add some more in a minute. And then here we have just a little bit of brown sugar, or maybe not all of it, maybe half a teaspoon. And then we have these beautiful olives as well, some calamate olives that we're also gonna place in here. A splash of balsamic vinegar. That's it. Then here we have some thyme. We'll also tuck this in here. And since the olive oil is not coming out just as fast as we'd like, we're gonna take the top off and actually pour it in there. And the olive oil, once the tomatoes are eaten, is gonna be delicious. Let's give everything a nice toss. And this will slowly bake in the oven. And the tomatoes will probably stay intact, but the flavor is going to be incredible. This is ready to go into the oven. Can you believe how quickly this came together? The simplicity of this dish is unbelievable, and the flavor is gonna be totally worthwhile. Now we're gonna close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. The secret to a really good tomato confit is that it bakes very slowly. So here we have turned the damper slightly over to the side in order to retain heat in the oven. And once we reach temperature, we just want to use small pieces of wood to keep a very small fire going. You never want the flames to billow across the dome of the oven because that would char the tomatoes. But let's peek inside now, and we can barely wait to see as to how they look. You see there are only hot coals on the side. Oh yes, look at that. That is so perfect. The symphony of flavors created by all these ingredients, the garlic and the olives and the thyme and the little spice with the cayenne pepper, is just going to be an experience never to forget. We're gonna try it on a little piece of this nice crunchy baguette, and these will also be perfect on a plate of pasta, on top of fish, in a salad. Absolutely delicious. We're gonna wish you un buon appetito.